Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, can ants feel pain when you kill them? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. A pain sensation in the body is a prominent characteristic of animals, not found in a few insects like ants due to a simpler body structures. They depend on their sense of smell as they have olfactory receptors on their antennae that can help detect unpleasant situations. Ants do not feel pain when you kill them as they lack pain receptors that can signal the brain for a response. In addition, they do not have spinal cords or complex nervous system, that's why their injuries are painless. Furthermore, their brains are simpler structures that cannot detect pain. These insects only feel slight discomfort and irritation. Pain is a feeling related to emotional experiences and sensory irritations after damage to body tissues. Higher vertebrates suffer from injuries whenever they hit something hard as their pain receptors detect the damage, leading to a painful sensation. However, ants are invertebrates having different mechanisms to detect and respond to injuries and death, as they lack advanced brains and can detect pain. Ants have a simple body structures and less complex internal system that make their lifestyle different from higher organisms having advanced system and better response behavior. These insects lack complicated emotions including pain as they do not have receptors on their bodies that usually help detect damage. Moreover, they lack complex nervous system and a spinal cord is also absent that transfers signals from the skin tissues to the brain for an appropriate response. It is not possible for ants' body tissues to communicate with the brain without the spinal cord as there is no medium to connect skin cells to it. In addition, they have a shorter lifespan and reach a maturity stage quickly, so they have less time to develop their internal systems. They lack nociceptors, which are receptors for detecting tissue damage. That's why they cannot detect pain. In addition, their brains have a simple structure that cannot detect emotions like fear and pain. Furthermore, their exoskeletons have short hair that cannot help detect damage to their internal bodies. They have limited cognitive abilities as they have less number of nerve cells that are distributed all over their bodies. So, a lack of emotions and the presence of a less complex brain and nervous system are responsible for their inability to detect pain. It is common to accidentally step on an ant moving on the ground, which makes them die immediately. However, you do not have to feel bad about these tiny creatures as they cannot feel pain. Ants cannot feel the painful sensation on their bodies when you kill them, but they can sense the extent of damage to their body tissues. These insects begin to release chemicals or pheromones from internal glands in their bodies that can help nest mate to identify that their fellow is injured. Moreover, these specific pheromone molecules act as a danger signal to inform others about the risk of death and infection. Therefore, they feel slight discomfort and irritation when you try to kill them. They do not die of extreme pain in their body tissues, instead, they will die due to the risk of infection in their wounds. In addition, the unavailability of food resources for injured insects can also make them die as they need nutrition to heal their bodies. Some scientists have explored their behavior of detecting pain that depends on nociception, making them run to escape the unpleasant situation after detecting stimuli. These stimuli can be physical injuries and environmental temperature changes that make them move to safe and warm areas to ensure their survival. Additionally, nociception is something different from the feel of pain as it only provides a sense to detect dangerous stimuli without making them feel any sensation on body parts. So it means that they can sense the damage but they do not suffer even after severe damage to their body tissues. Many insecticides and baits are prepared to kill ants by affecting their digestive system, breathing patterns, and nervous system. The insecticides are harmful to these tiny creatures as they directly interfere with the transmission of nerve impulses and act on the neurons. Moreover, these chemicals can cause an imbalance in the ratio of sodium and potassium and prevent the transfer of impulses from the tissues to the brain and vice versa. Additionally, some baits act on their digestive system, interfere with its normal functioning, and make them die within a few hours to days. Their nervous system is not a complex and advanced system like the one present in higher vertebrates or animals that is based only on a single nerve cord that runs throughout their body. Only 250,000 nerve cells are present in their brain, which are not sufficient to detect the extent of damage when the poison is acting on their internal organs. So, ants cannot feel pain when poisoned due to the small number of nerves that make up their nervous system. Thanks for watching the video.